All right, this is my daughter's 2017 Hyundai Elantra. When we did her 135,000 mile service, we checked the engine air filter and it was clean. We checked the cabin air filter and it was dirty, so we're gonna change that out. This is an EcoGuard XC10573. I'm gonna put a link to this one and a couple of other ones in the video description, so check those out. And this is how we do it. So in the glove compartment, there's a plastic knob on both sides. It looks like this. Just rotate it about a half turn and it comes out. There's one on this side, and then once you do that, the glove compartment drops down. Okay, so then up in here there's this thing right here. So you're gonna pinch in, you close those like that, you close those like that, and it comes right out. So what I do for orientation, this looks like it doesn't matter, but just to make sure, is I just set that down. Your air filter sitting right there. So we just take out that old one. The airflow on these is supposed to be down. So you look at these, the airflow down. So that arrow is pointing down. Okay, let this slide right in, and we take this. Okay, felt those pop in. So that's it. Now we take our glove compartment. You see these holes in the side where you line up these plastic pieces that stick out. So you just gotta put your glove compartment up to there. That's holding that side up. That's holding that side up, and we're done. That's all there is to it. Saves you about 40 bucks from taking it to a dealer. Hope that's been helpful.